hidden or common injuries to watch out for after car accidents.
Hello everyone, and welcome back to our series of frequently asked questions. I'm Jim Adler, the tough, smart lawyer, and today we will discuss some of the more common hidden injuries that you need to watch out for after being in a car accident.
A car accident could cause many different types of serious personal injuries. Some of these injuries could be debilitating and permanent. While many injuries from a motor vehicle accident may be common, such as broken bones, traumatic brain injuries, and amputations, some hidden injuries can still be equally debilitating and permanent. In fact, some less obvious injuries could be medical emergencies, be permanently disabling, require surgery, and even result in the wrongful death of an innocent person. The most serious type of hidden injury caused by a Texas car accident is a brain bleed. A motor vehicle accident victim could suffer a brain bleed even if a victim did not hit their head on anything in a crash. The symptoms of a brain bleed could also be mild, such as a minor headache, similar to a dehydration headache. But the longer that the brain bleed continues without treatment, the more dangerous it could become, as the brain's ventricles fill with blood. The blood could cause chemical damage to brain tissue, and the increasing intracranial pressure could cause permanent brain damage and even death. However, most brain bleeds could be detected by EMTs, and they are usually observable in imaging studies, such as an MRI or CT scan. Thus, this is a prime example of why individuals involved in a Texas car accident should seek medical evaluation and treatment after a crash. After a car accident, another type of hidden injury is a spinal cord injury or back injury. Often, a motor vehicle accident victim will feel fine, even in a high-speed collision. A victim may have a minor backache and pain, but with ibuprofen and rest, it may go away. However, after a few days or weeks, the back pain will come back and become stiff, very painful, and crippling. Sometimes it can even take months for this process to occur. But this is not a sign of a minor injury. It really could be a sign of a catastrophic injury to the back or spinal cord, requiring a spinal fusion. A spinal fusion is a massive surgery removing parts of bone and disc, then using rods and screws to permanently immobilize the spine to prevent it from wiggling and impinging on irritated and damaged nerves or other structures. This surgery permanently will reduce a victim's range of motion and restrict the amount of weight that a person can lift, push, pull, and carry. However, the damage to the spine that may require a spinal fusion may still be hidden. If you fail to get evaluated by medical providers and note your backache, even if it is mild when you do need this type of complicated surgery, you can bet that a defense lawyer will say you were not injured after the accident, delayed seeking treatment, and the damage was pre-existing or caused by another accident, even though that is obviously not the case. Other hidden injuries that may be caused by a Texas car accident include nerve injuries to the brachial plexus in your shoulder, organ lacerations, or damage from the seatbelt, and emotional injuries such as anxiety, depression, and post-traumatic stress disorder, PTSD.
If you've been injured in a motor vehicle accident, call our Texas accident lawyers at Jim Adler and Associates to learn how we can help you recover the compensation that you deserve. You can reach out to us on our website at jimadler.com or by calling 1-800-567-7575.